Hi, welcome to Basic Chemistry. Today we will discuss about NGP of cyclohexane derivative. And before starting this topic, we have to know what is NGP. NGP is neighboring group participation. The criteria of this type of reaction is neighboring group conformation is anti to the leaving group. Okay, so the leaving group and neighboring group should have to be anti, and the neighboring group is basically a intramolecular SN2 type reaction. Okay, and through NGP reaction we generally get 3-member, 5-member and 6-member ring, and it is much faster than intermolecular SN2 reaction. That means when the reaction is intramolecular, this is a intramolecular, therefore this reaction is much faster than a normal SN2 reaction. Suppose this is nucleophile and this is a SN2 reaction mechanism. So this is a intermolecular SN2 reaction. This rate of intermolecular SN2 reaction is much slower than this type of NGP reaction. Because this is a intramolecular, therefore possibility of finding the leaving group is much higher and the entropy is much low for those type of reaction, and enthalpy is much higher. Okay, because the availability of leaving group is much easier than this type of SN2 intermolecular SN2 reaction. So if we start with example, let's take an example where OTS is axial and O acetate group is in equatorial position. This is basically a acetylysis reaction at presence of this type of base and corresponding acid, basically a buffer situation over there. We get optically pure trans product like this. This is optically pure, means only one product is there. Starting from optically pure cis product, we get optically pure trans product. But in case when their OTS and OAC, we start from optically pure trans product at presence of same condition, same basic and acidic condition, we get racemic mixture of trans isomer. Okay, so how can we explain that fact? This only can be explained through NGP. In case of pure cis, they are directly OAC minus attack through the equatorial position and gives the optically pure trans product. The equatorial attack is more favorable because from axial attack it will face syn diaxial interaction, and moreover after attacking from the equatorial, the axial diaxial interaction is eliminated and give two equatorial, which is more stable product, right? Therefore equatorial attack and eliminating axial group is more favorable. Now in case of trans isomer, which is also optically pure, the story is little different, that is not as previous. In this case, if we draw this elaborately, the structure look like this: OTS, and this is like this. But if it undergo flip or inversion, in this flipped conformation, the neighboring group and the leaving group is in properly anti conformation. Okay, we can draw acetyl group in like this way, and the tosyl group, this is equatorial, after flipping this will be axial, and this is equatorial, after flipping this will be axial. But this conformation is little unstable than previous, therefore population of that conformation is higher than this. But the NGP is rate determining step and it is irreversible process. Okay, now after formation of that, there is a transition state, 5-member rings transition state, which look like this. After taking part in NGP, there will be a positive charge and it will eliminate the tosyl group, and this bond actually equatorial and it has been eliminated the tosyl group, and this is a common transition state. Okay, after formation of this type of transition state, OAC group can attack from there, because I have previously discussed that equatorial attack is more favorable over axial attack, because in equatorial attack there is no syn diaxial interaction, therefore it is kinetically favorable. And it gives this type of product. After attacking over there, this broad bond breaks. After that, we get a equatorial OAC, di-equatorial OAC. Okay, but there is another chance also. This conformation which I have highlighted, it also can flip and form this type of structure. Okay, this is axial, after flipping this will be equatorial, axial will be equatorial, and this is equatorial, after flipping this will be axial. Okay, just flipping over there, this will up and this will go down. If you have any problem in conformational change, you can see my previous video where I have elaborately discussed about that, and the structure ends up in like this transition state or intermediate form. Okay, after that, if the OAC attacks similar way, if we attack this equatorial position, okay, and eliminate the axial bond which is kinetically favorable, it will end up forming like this product. Now this product is inverse of that product. If I rotate this product 120 degree out of plane, then this OAC will come to other side of the equatorial bond, and this equatorial OAC will be there. Remember that we are not flipping this conformation, therefore both OAC will be equatorial, no change of the axial equatorial, the both will be equatorial, but we are just rotating this out of plane. Okay, so both will be equatorial and it will be a mirror image of that. Okay, so these are racemic mixture of trans product, both are trans product, di-equatorial is trans product, so we will get 50% both product. Okay, due to formation this type of intermediate state, which also give equal populated two intermediate state, therefore we are getting this type of 50-50 racemic mixture. If we see the reaction mechanism properly, if there is a OAC group in equatorial and a leaving group, suppose this is R in equatorial, after flipping the leaving group and the neighboring group coming into anti-manner, therefore with increasing the leaving group character, I mean as iodine is more good leaving group, iodide is more good leaving group than bromide, and bromide is much more good leaving group than chloride. Okay, therefore with increasing the leaving group probability, the reaction rate will go faster rate, because NGP is a rate determining step of this type of reaction. So this is important step to keep in mind. NGP is RDS step, okay, rate determining step. Therefore, with increasing the leaving group, the rate of the reaction changes. With if there is a iodine, so rate will be much faster than chloride. Okay. Now, if we try this type of acetylysis reaction in case of 5-member ring, there OTS and OAC is trans with each other and anti with each other. In the NGP, the condition is the neighboring group must have to be anti position with the leaving group. So in this case, both are in trans position. Therefore, neighboring group can participate in NGP and give this type of intermediate, right? After formation of this type of common intermediate, in aqueous solvent, if H2O attacks over there and gives this type of product, now there is two possibility of further reaction. This OH can break through this way, I can name that as A, and this which OH also can break in this way, I can name this as B. Going through A, we will get like this product, OH and OAC in cis, and through path B we will get OAC and OH cis, but they are two diastereomer. Okay, those are not same product because those are not superimposable with each other. Now come to our next topic. This is very much important, not only for exam purpose, for also concept purpose. If I have this type of product, this is tritium, OTS over there, and OMe group is trans with this OTS group, right? Now at presence of acetic acid and reflux condition, we will get one product which is like this, OAC, OMe, and another product where there is OMe, tritium, and there is OAC in equatorial. Have you noticed the difference? Here OMe and tosyl group is 1,4 position, but there OMe and tosyl group in 1,1 position. Okay, and this is the major product. This is also major, and a little minor product is there. The structure of little minor product is this, just substitution reaction, SN2 reaction, just attack over there and gives compound C, which is minor. Okay, so we need to discuss this product, these two product A and product B. To discuss that, we need to explain neighboring group participation over there. So in this case, this methoxy group undergo neighboring group participation and form this type of boat like structure through this type of, and prefer this type of TS which look like this, OTS, their negative density is high, and there is electron density is low, so delta positive. So this is a transition state of that type of reaction, and this is the reaction intermediate, which is common intermediate for further reaction. And there is tritium and there is hydrogen. Okay, now there is two possibility. OAC group can attack from there or it can attack from there. Okay, so when OAC group attack through path A, it gives and when OAC attack through path B, it gives product like this. Titanium and methoxy is 1,4 position over there due to follow the path A, and there the titanium and methoxy in same carbon due to follow path B. So thanks for watching. I hope you have understand well, or if you not understand, please comment me below and please subscribe my channel for more further tutorial. Thank you.